In this video, I'm making a folding paper drawing. You're watching Studio Brush Pen, home of the petrified emu egg. Making a folding drawing is a lot of fun and very easy to get started. Fold your paper in half and then in half again. If you know what you're going to draw, that's great, but if you don't, it can be helpful to draw a simple shape that covers both sides of the fold lines. I'm starting with a circle and working my way out from there. You can make your folding drawing as simple or as complex as you like. Part of the fun is making the inside of the drawing a little surprise or joke. I've decided on a disco shark here, so let's see what happens. So that's my disco shark folding drawing. I'm really happy with it. An added challenge might be to do this with a friend and swap papers so that you can draw the inside of each other's sketch. Or you might try and make something a bit more complicated on your own. It's just a bit of fun, really. You're watching Studio Brush Pen. Disco Shark.